February in Canada, that's when you want to get your edge dress done. The frets on this guitar were sharp enough to draw blood. Keep that in mind. Get it done in February. You'll never have to do it again.